Hey everyone, if there's one thing I don't like about beekeeping, it's having to build frames. And unfortunately it's a necessary task with an expanding apiary. So today we're going to learn how to put together 10 frames in a moment's notice and doing it without a jig. You do them in sets of 10. And after you get through the first couple packs of 10, you get a process down. Push the ends in, make sure that they're properly seated. Now, you need to have the one crucial nail in the top bar. A lot of beekeepers make the mistake of not including this nail. I plug into a different nailer and I move from this staple to this straight nail. And I put one right in the side bar, kind of angled down into the top. Just one on each side is fine. When you're holding the arm, just make sure that your hand's back here in the middle and not up here behind the bars, because you know it blows when you get a staple in your hand. And from here, it's just putting the plastic in the frames. I do break off these top notches that are diagonal here and I put them on the top bar. These notches are kind of made to make the bees be able to quickly crawl through to the other side of the frame without having to go up over the top bar. The reason we want to put that nail in the end there, by the way, is because that's the top bar And when you go to get a frame out of the hive, you're usually prying up on these ears, and we eventually, after cracking and flex, it'll break away with just the glue. And even though we have the tack up at the top, it can pull straight out. So we want to try to put a nail into the side under this ear up into the top bar. And that's it.